Okay. Everyone is here, right? So now I can start the presentation. What is the Peloton Group International? Miss Ames, Felix, Rizwan Bhai is with me right now. So I think Rizwan Bhai, you know already about the systems about Miss Phil and MC. Is you can it's a new peoples are here, so I have to short information to pass to these
Yes,
people.
sure.
So, what is the Peloton Group International? Peloton Group International, it means, it's a short form, is we call always PGI. What is the PGI? PGI basically, it's a control your, they save your money and then invest in a proper place where can they put the money and get back your profit to all the members. They save your funds. And what is the ecosystem? Ecosystem have, there is this eight kind of different business Commission also have the company is decided to some more add the additional business, but currently what we have and what we are going to soon starting, this is the mainly um, the crypto trading. The first one is here, the crypto trading, because this is the most worthful and powerful for the our project, because company do the trading in Bitcoin. When companies start, it is that time is the BTC is the value will be the very lowest. But the current situation, everyone can go to see in Google, so they can easily understand what is the price current situation. The BTC is last night is hitting 61,000, almost 61,000 plus. So first, our project is where the company make a money and return back to the all our members the cryptocurrency. And cryptocurrency, the main part, Bitcoin, where they are trading. Okay, the e-commerce, e-commerce is very soon will be company going to be open. There is have a two three type of different products. First of all, health gadgets, health products, and some more relevant things, they are providing. Actually, already the website is launched, pjhealthandwellness.com, but still they are not starting the market because of current situation. They are focusing the crypto, and where they can earn the money and giving back to the everyone percentage. Blockchain education we have every week, in a one time or two time. Our the main person from America, Mr. Troy, they are very smart and very educated person about the blockchain. He have a 25 years experience, and he almost have near around 20 certificates, which is he can provide all the blockchain education to the all our members who really wants to learn about the blockchain. And there is have a crypto ATM post, and the company also before they have a business about the crypto ATM machine they are making and provide to those countries where is the officially allowed to can buy Bitcoin, buy and change exchange each other, so people easily can go and receive the Bitcoin and buy the Bitcoin or sell the Bitcoin and get their money. Forex trading there is have, but Forex trading still not yet start, but the Forex trading is a soon project. Health gadgets also very soon will be company present. MasterCard we have, but MasterCard currently uh, company, I think so in a March and April, the MasterCard also, Master debit card, this is also will be start. So whoever person in their country, they wanted to start withdrawal the money with the MasterCard, they will also. So our corporate office, there is actually our official website. If you go and see the contacts, also there can company show all the officially our address and the countries, which countries company already have official office, and also the coming soon, which is the country they have uh, address and the offices, they also very soon they can give in. But the currently the Estonia main corporate office, United Kingdom, Manila, Philippines, and Singapore, and also South Africa. There is a many countries, Kenya, Uganda, Africa, and this the some most countries there have already offices and company giving officially the addresses in our website. Who is the Petro Group International? This is Mr. R.V. Palafox, CEO of a company. Most I can appreciate the person who designed this PGI Peloton Group International in 2019. Actually, he was before the foremost. As you guys are see, his portfolio is there usually. So he's the president, co-founder, and the ID Trade Global President and CEO AI Trade Philip Inc. This is the company. He's the first company in 2019 which is work in the product, but the second plan he is the start in 2020 in January. PGI Peloton Group International. He's also from Philippines. Uh, he based on now current situation he is based on in America, but he have a two passport, Philippines and America also. But he have a very huge experience, almost 25 weeks year experience, and which is main his experience is 15 years experience product based company with health products, and 5 years experience he had in the cryptocurrency, which is very good, and that's why he had a two companies, and now he start PGI also health and wellness very soon. You everybody can see our official office in Las Vegas, Nevada. From there, our stores and about all the health product will be launching. There's Miss President PGA Global, Miss Helen L. Graham. She also previous her experience have an for marketing also with the last 4 5 years, but at the same time she have a housewife, and she the dentist teacher also education about that and teaching the people, and but of course network marketing is the more stronger than the others jobs. So she decided to finally can work with the Peloton Group. This is she is the first person who take a risk in coronavirus and the startup with RV Palafox. And now she is a very great, and she thanks to Allah, which is she got this opportunity, and now she is in this business, and the number one millionaire also. The Mr. Vice President Chief Operator Officer Mark Davis. He's from Australia. He's have a very cute smile always, something like this, as in the picture he's showing. But this person have all our community have those issues and problems, KYCs, withdrawals, further etc. All the issues he can handle, and all the our support team and around 20, 30 people or 40 people all under him, and he will manage this all things. Vice President Chief of Health Advisor Board, Rosaro Austria MD. This is she's from Philippines also, and she only handling the health products. Its ma'am is co-founder Philippines, Ricola Paolino. She's from Philippines, and she managing all the Philippines country, about the PGA. Here is all the people who are coming in a step by step. This is all the presidents and master distributors. Mr. Shafi is handling all Europe. Mr. Baku, as you can see in the videos and pictures, these people are very marvelous who are build the business in the starting with Alan, Miss Alan, and they are right now millionaires in a PGI within only 1 years. Mr. Benny also is a very great person. He's a president in Africa, Whole Africa under his, and the president of Miss Mele Mosip. She also from Africa. These two couples are from Latin America. They also with the starting, PGI in 2020, and now they are very great in this opportunity. Phillips also Latin America, and he's a very great person, in Latin America. He did very good business in PGI. For those people who are coming in here from different countries, and they have a different designation. This is from Iraq, Mr. Shahid Karimi. Recently, he is by $500,000 package. The number second or third person, this is who earning the very good money because he had before 100,000 package, and he take a risk in also when the corona start, and he did very great job, and he built very big network in a market. This is the master distributor from United Kingdom, Italy, Uganda, our cost. Kenya, UK, and from the Peru, Philippines, Kenya, Philippines, also Kyrgyz, Nigeria, and Nigeria. This is all the people who the from different countries, the master distributors. Okay, per products and the services. Or what is I already actually explained before about the Bitcoin. What is a Bitcoin? Everybody, I think, who connected with the cryptocurrency, they know very well what is the Bitcoin. When it is start is to start from 2009, but that time everybody is rejected. Nobody accept the Bitcoin. This is a scam company, and also many Google's also, PayPal also, and for a lot of people are talking. But those people in that time who take a risk in 2009, they are very grateful their self, and then today they are millionaire. Why? Because of who trust in that time and take a risk in the business, they are earn very good money in this. And our product is here is a crypto ATM, Bitcoin trading platform, blockchain education, health and wellness products, debit card. These all things I already explained before our first starting meeting, because company what it is doing company. And ATM POS machine, this is machines company making for those countries who they are really wants to put in their country, and they are ordered to the PG company, and they make it the machines and then send it to them. Trading Bitcoin, of course, company trade the only Bitcoin trading and then make a money and earn the money in there. Blockchain education, we have always training sessions in a week, one time, two time. Who wants to learn about the blockchain education, they can come and then learn this one. Egg Sanchi, this is our product, which is traditional Chinese medicine as a medical herbal. This is also product very soon will be launched. And also a 9-in-1 coffee mix with the hazelnut flavors. And this is the 100% different organic and can use for the body, and the people can use for the health also. And this is Peloton blended powder with the probiotic. I don't know the very well about this one, but of course this is also for the relevant for health. Our Peloton debit card. So this is the debit card will be whoever person is a want it. When very soon we will started this one, the debit card, you can see this debit card apply for the company in a back office. You can pay their $20 fees, and within 1.5 months, you can receive this card in your address what you can give it. So disclaimer is what this is this disclaimer for the company, what the company can do it with our finance system and save and secure. And the compensation plan, now everybody, I wanted to everybody, whoever person is now current in this meeting, must be have to give a time for the see what is our compensation plan, how we join, what we do, and how much we can invest the money, and what is the benefit for us from the, and why we are choose for the Peloton group. So this is how to be the part of our team. So here is our four type of different packages, which is the silver, gold, platinum, titanium package. So here is the category of different can see. You can see in silver package 100, 400, 600, gold have 1000, 5000, 10,000, platinum have 20, 50, and 100. Titanium we have a 500 without limit. Okay, so how the process starts, whenever whoever person is start with any package, whatever they choose, whatever package they choose, software fees you have to pay with any package. $19 you have to pay, and the what company give you back in daily trading bonus from 0.5 up to 3%. This is what company giving back you percentage in your back office, in your dashboard. You can see who are joining the member, they can see daily company giving the percentage 1%, 1 point something. But this is a normally company, if of course trading a little bit less, so they will give us 0.89, 0.9 also, but mostly we can see, in every month, 1%, 1 point something, it's a different percentage every day we can see in our back office. So choice is your, what package you want. Of course, as my always understanding, if somebody is just want to be the as a business partner, no one introduce a business to the anybody. So I suggest those person, to at least start with a $1,000 or $5,000. Why? Because at least you can daily earn $10 or $50. So every week we have a withdrawal option, so you can withdraw your money, or 1 week or 2 week you can withdraw your money. So build up your confidence. But whoever person, they don't have a big amount, so they can start with the $120, enter in the system, learn, study, see how company passion, and decide next time, with the big package, or can have option second, which is I can very soon I will explain you there how they can make a money more. So what type of the commission, we have. And one more thing I can explain you here. Whoever person buy the package, this is we have a contract signed with the company 200 days, around 6 months. Like in 200 days, company make your amount double. No triple, no 3x, 4x. That's it. $100 you put, first 100 days you get back your $100, and second 100 days you can get $100. Mean $100 you put, uh, and $200 total you can get back in 200 days. If you put 400, you can get 800. If you put 600, you can get 1,200. If you put 1,000, you can get $2,000 in 200 days. But every package, whoever package is here, all package are same amount earning, same timing is the for all the package. There is a no have like a different timing with a big package and small package, and percentage also. Every person who getting in back office, the same percentage. No have a, fluctuate with a different, with the your package is bigger, so you get the big percentage. Small package you have a less percentage. No, everybody have a same percentage, same timing, and same earning. Only depends what package you choose. In 200 days you can earn the money. I hope you guys are understand. If anybody have a question about this one, no understand, can ask me. Because after that, this is the next our processes will the start with the compensation plan. Anybody have any question?
Okay, it's clear.
Okay. So now I'm going to next for the type of the commissions. What we have, every member can have one account only, but can purchase multiple package. There is written clearly. For example, you make one account, you have already one package. So your back office inside you can buy multiple packages easily. There is no problem, no issue. There is no like people say, how we can buy, because in a one KYC have a one package. There one KYC, one person, one email, one KYC, one account. There's no for example, you want a 1,000, you have a 100 package, so next you want a package for 600 or 1,000. You can buy 1,000 also in your same account, same. Okay. So there is have four type of different bonus: direct bonus, binary bonus, boost up, or renewal bonus. Okay, this is the four type of bonus you can get. Direct bonus is here is the direct bonus is your participation. Whatever package you have, it depends on your package. Here is they can show you in a silver package, gold, platinum, titanium. So you can direct 6%, gold is 8%, platinum 10%, and titanium is a 12%. You can direct bonus. What package is your under somebody buy the package? So same, if you have a silver package, for example, in $100 or 400 or 600, somebody buy under you 1,000 or 5,000, you can get 6%. If you have a gold package, you have a direct bonus 8%. Somebody buy any package, any amount, you can get 8%. If you have a platinum package, direct bonus, somebody buy $100 package, 400 or 1,000, you can get 10%. So it's all depends on your package what you have. So binary bonus is here the company is saying, partner must have a one direct on left, one direct on your right. So how you can, for example, binary always have a left and right.
Always have a left and right.
So how you can get this
So
one?
how you can
So
get
you
this
must
one?
have
So you must
one
have
account on the left side,
one account
one
on the left
is
side,
your
one is
right
your
side.
right side.
So when you put a one is another side, one is a left side, one is a right side, so your binary will be active. and there is a first pair does not qualify the binary bonus. For example, if you achieve the binary, our first pair always flash. The first pair company no giving you. Okay, so here is another thing is depends on the partner will be receive minimum 8% binary. You can see here all these three package your binary bonus is 8%. Only titanium is a bigger package where you can get the 10% binary. Okay, maximum binary bonus per day will be depend on the highest existing package of the account. Depends on your package, you know what package you have. So binary every week you can withdraw that. For example, our package, like I'm saying you my package is $1,000. So every week I can withdraw the money, just 500. Depends on my package. So for somebody's have a $100 package, so he can withdraw $50. Somebody have $400 package, so he can withdraw 200. If somebody has 600, so he can withdraw 300. So it depends on your package. 50% they give you access to can withdraw your money in a week. But it's no matter if you can see what balance you have a more, because in our back office have a two type of wallet when you withdraw the money, never bonus and the passive bonus. So which is the money you have a bigger, you can put the withdraw. So it depends on package, what package you have, so you can put only that. So our minimum withdrawal excess is here, $88. When you have $88 plus amount, you can withdraw your money in a Monday to Friday. Now we have excess there. So Monday to Friday at the daytime is a 1 o'clock to until 11 o'clock. You can withdraw the money. You can put because every country have a different timing, so they can give you the excess, in there. Okay, so next, booster bonus. What is the booster bonus? It is a very good, for those people who really love to network marketing. For those people, company giving access to how they can build their percentage, because we don't have a levels, we have only direct and binary. So in there you have a chance to can build upgrade your bonus for next how many days your package is active. For here you said a boost up in increase 2% from your regular direct referral bonus and pairing bonus, which is a mean you enjoy higher income. Like you have a direct bonus. Here you can see in front of you have a chart, direct bonus and binary bonus. Previous what you get, your silver package you get direct 6% and binary is 8%. Gold you can get direct 8% and binary is 8%. I also by here the company giving you access when you sponsor two new members into the program. In your program, two sponsor you can giving, one is a left, one is a right within a 30 days. Okay, what is this from date of your membership active? When your active account, from that day your 30 days is the start for your booster. Okay, where there's two new members, both are inter package equal or you're higher than your current highest package. Means, for example, you have $1,000 or you have a $600 package. So companies say you must be your equal package both side or bigger than your package. If you have a bigger than your package or equal both to package within 30 days, your very next day, 24 hours, your booster will be cheaper. And then from that day to until your package active. For example, you have 200 days left, 100 days left, or 150 days left. Your booster will be increased, and you can see in your back office. So for that time, your all these things, will be becomes upgrade. Like your direct bonus will be upgrade for 6 to 8%, 8 to 10%, 10 to 12%. Your binary. 8 to 10%. Actually, there's binaries, for the 8 to 10% for three package first. So your if you have a package $1,000, so you can get 10% direct bonus after booster bonus, and 10% is binary. So it's something like this, easy scenario. It is not difficult, by only company giving you the 1 month time because of when you start active your package. From that day, your timing start for the 30 days. Your booster, how you can achieve binary, you can achieve anytime. There is no problem. So, okay, renewal bonus is what? All agreement that the reach 200% trading bonus shall automatically stop. Whenever is your 200% is done, your bonuses all will be stopped automatically before, okay, at the back office. But of course, if you have somebody sponsor and the direct coming, of course the bonus will become, but you cannot withdraw it. So they say this account must be purchased a new agreement within 30 days for the continue earning bonus direct and binary. So if you really want to get withdraw your direct bonus and binary also, so company give you from your 200 days when finish, very next day your 30 days startup. Okay, in next 30 days you can buy any package with $100 for 1000 up to you. You can buy the package, and from that when you buy the new package, after that you're again your all the bonus will be active. If you know by the package, so that means you know withdraw your direct and binary bond at all. So this is what the renewal bonus. Here is the payout. Minimum withdrawal, as I say, weekly, companies say, $88 you have, you can put the withdrawal. And here the maximum withdrawal amount per cut off is 50% of your highest package. It depends on what is your have a package, so you can 50% withdrawal your money. Okay, agreement fund fees is 3%. What is the agreement fund? It is your back office. You can see there is a two type of they're showing the agreement, the corporate fund and agreement fund. If somebody say I don't want to withdraw the money outside because it's 8% cost, so I want a new package, so they can keep it inside all the asset, and one day they will be transferred when the withdrawal day is coming, so they transfer in the agreement fund. So there is a only when the transfer from your withdrawal to agreement fund, you just pay the 5%. You no need to pay 8%. So if you want to withdraw cash, so of course the cash companies say, in a Bitcoin, currently we have a Bitcoin withdrawal option open. The card is not start yet. So in a card and a Bitcoin, the same percentage will be, we can when we withdraw 8%. So corporate recognitions, this is our all the who people are achieving, who build the teams, so they are achieved all the designation different the company giving in the people, to these rewards. So for example, this Mount Blanc pen, if somebody in your left and one person is your right, they can put the sale, $10,000, 5,000 left, 5,000 right. So the company give you Mount Blanc pen. This is a worthful pen. It's a costly. There's the second reward is 1% left, one is right. Mostly when you work with the 1% left, 1% right, and then support these two people to build their networks, and they also work on the two peoples always, so they net also build up. So like this, your team is growing. So whoever person business within a month, like now is 20,000 K group business left and right. So company giving the iPhone or Samsung, this is a good quality one. And the third one is MacBook Air, 50,000 K sale, left and right. Here is Tanzania. This is a 5-day Asian cruise towards, and company giving you, company giving this one. So somebody is putting a 100K sale underneath. Okay. What is the name? Just a minute. So here is our, Honda Civic. Your team sale, 30K left and right, same. As I say, you just only work for two people, build their networks, together, work hard, So of course you have extra bonuses in your account, direct bonus, binary bonus, booster bonus also you can achieve, So same time, this rewards also can helping you. This is the Guard Ruby. Oh, this is the emerald, you can put under your left and right, 600K group sale. So you can Mercedes-Benz C-Class. And of course, they are showing same time, worth of 60K worth of BTC. This is the diamond, God Diamond Range Rover. It is a 150K worth of BTC and 1.5 million group sale left and right. Here is a blue diamond. It's a Lamborghini 300K vote BTC, left and right 3 million group sale. So something like this, this is the all rewards coming. And here is the ultimate purpose, give back to community program. Already PGI support in the Philippines, also African countries, also some other countries also, they do the charity, which is very good. And the 5% PGI profit goes to giving back to the charity. So it's like that. Here is this is the Caribbean tour. Actually, the start from the 5 January until 5 April. Already 182 members qualify already. This promotion, this is the company official promotion, company giving. 182 people already announced. Maybe this 20 of March we have a super mega event again start. I hope everybody whoever is here and connected the meeting, they come and join this 20 March meeting and see our CEO vision, what he's saying. And about this one Caribbean, they have a more people, coming, and this is already qualified. This is the sale actually, left and right, $200,000 sale. Whoever person is doing this one, company giving them all the trip, free. So here is the PGI. Thank you so much for listening to me. But whoever person is here now have a question or something can ask me if no understand about anything. So now you can open speaker and can talk to me.
If you want to ask, you can. Don't have any question. Yeah. Everything is clear.
So anybody have a question about something?
Guys,
Yes.
your monitor is so noisy.
Is it?
Monitoring on your, I think, in your laptop.
No, no, this is somebody's phone, ringing or calling, I don't know who's this one, but somebody's phone, ringing.
Me. It's
Did you,
somebody call me Judy.
Ate Judy, if you have
Yeah.
some question, you can ask us.
Yeah, it's already I have already clear. I don't have question. Just I only say that you said that there is ringing in the phone.
Because
why-
we're hearing that.
It's already sorry.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So I think nobody's
it's
have any
okay.
By the
question.
way, guys, how many
Clear.
days for
Yes, please.
Continue explaining.
Yeah,
We
because I'm already explaining. So now only what is have right now, current situation is this 20 March, 20 of March, we have our Super Zoom mega event. So I wish everybody is come and join that one and then listen, because we have a very big news about the Kala wallet, which is already company on. There's a lot meeting. We already explained about the Kala wallet. It is a like blockchain, blockchain. We using the blockchain wallet. We use a Coinbase wallet. We using another's also. So this is the same like that. So Kala wallet is supporting
Kala?
us to,
This
yeah.
Kala.
Kala wallet, it's a name of Kala wallet, it's a from America company. So which is a very good, and the company on already for this one.
We
And also,
use in blockchains. We
yeah,
just
okay.
like